Hi, I'm Tom Nolle, President of CIMI Corporation. Everything in the cloud world is always kind of fuzzy, not surprisingly. And one of the things that may be a little bit surprising in terms of its recent fuzziness is Citrix commitment to the cloud. Citrix, who started off being an OpenStack player, has now suddenly become a CloudStack player, changing their strategy around to somewhat the consternation of the OpenStack people. But the real issue here, I think, for enterprises is what's this telling us about the cloud and about what we should be thinking about the cloud and commitments. The problem here is this. The move by Citrix is pretty clearly an indication that they believe that EC2 is the play to beat. That because OpenStack is not directly compatible with EC2, OpenStack raises a competitive risk because enterprises might not adopt the Citrix strategy because they're trying to transition from the Amazon environment or hybridize with it or something like that. But the real question for the cloud oughtn't to be the question of how much does management interfaces inhibit or facilitate someone competing with somebody else. The real question should be, are we moving the cloud forward in an effective way? OpenStack is doing a pretty good job at that, in point of fact. Some of the best developments in the cloud in terms of operations and management and application orchestration and facilitation are taking place inside the OpenStack group. The Apache people who are running the CloudStack activity don't have the same level of engagement, as far as I've been able to determine, as the OpenStack people have. Don't have the same breadth of support. So it's a shame that what we're seeing here is competitive competition and pressure for money in the near term of a market that's a 0.5% of the opportunity space, is already getting in the way of an effective cloud future. Thank you. I'm Tom Nolle.